What does the puppy say? What does Deuce say?
Ruff, ruff.
What does he say?
Ruff, ruff.
Lexi, what does Deuce say? What does the doggy say?
Ruff, ruff.
Alexis, what does the doggy say?
Ruff, ruff.
Is your name Alexis?
No, I answered.
Alexis, what does the doggy say?
Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff.
Addison, what does the doggy say?
I'm not Addison.
You're not Addison?
No, that's not Addison. I'm Addison.
You're Addison?
Yeah. Ruff, ruff.
Do you like Deuce?
Yeah.
Does Deuce ever bark? What does he say?
Never should anymore.
What?
Didn't play anymore.
Say that's not good.
That's not good.